तो एक रात को अचानक से आई थिंक 2:30-3 बजे की बात है, सोते-सोते वो एकदम आई थिंक शिवर करने लगी और उठ गई और उठ के रोना शुरू कर दिया। बुरा सपना देखा, जिसमें उसने देखा उसकी सिस्टर के साथ कुछ हो गया है एंड शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग। और वो क्या होता है ना, हम रोना शुरू करते हैं तो वो लूप चलता रहता है रोने का, जबकि उसको पता लग गया, लाइट वाइट जल गई कि ये ड्रीम नहीं है। सॉरी, मतलब जो भी था वो ड्रीम था, हकीकत कुछ और है। यू आर इन द रूम एंड एवरीथिंग इज ओके, सिस्टर इज सेफ, इट्स जस्ट अ ड्रीम। बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज वो क्राइंग रुकती नहीं है बिकॉज यू आर इन दैट जोन एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। अगर भगवान न करे कभी कुछ हो जाए, जिस इंसान से बहुत ज्यादा प्यार है, अगर उसको कुछ हो जाएगा तो वो रोना भी उतना ही होगा जितना इस ख्वाब में है। तो ब्रेन को फर्क समझ में नहीं आता कि रियलिटी क्या है और ख्वाब क्या है। अगर आपने मान लिया ख्वाब को रियलिटी है तो वो वैसे ही रिएक्ट करता है। अगर हमने पास्ट को मान लिया कि यही हमारी रियलिटी है, तो मेमोरी के थ्रू बार बार जाके हम उसी को रीलिव करते रहते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं हम उसके अंदर अटक जाते हैं एंड देन वी कांट लेट गो ऑफ द बैगेजेस।
The emotional baggage that I have is because of losing my mother last year.
आई सेंस्ड इट। आई नो, उसको
Mm.
एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है।
बहुत ज़्यादा।
Somebody who is
तो
extremely close, I can understand because I've lost my father, so I know what you must have gone through.
yeah, 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 yeah. I
And
know,
I
I know.
lost him on my birthday, so I understand what you go through at that moment. जो इंसान आपके इतना ज़्यादा करीब है, you're losing one of your parent, and then you feel incomplete at that point of time.
That like for me, that incompleteness hasn't gone even now. It's
Mm.
been more than a year now, and a lot of the gratefulness and all those things that you asked me, it has come from that experience also. Because I think मुझे ऐसा लगा suddenly when I got the worst news of my life, I felt that इससे पहले तो कुछ था ही नहीं प्रॉब्लम लाइफ में। पहली I felt like life just happened. उससे पहले तो it was just enjoyment going on. And for the first time I felt like a part of my heart was cut and it has not come back.
This
So
happened with me also. So I don't know. Strangely, मेरा थोड़ा सा एक अलग feeling आया इस बारे में regarding when this happened with me. I felt that somewhere down the lane, my dad came inside me all of a sudden after his demise, and I still feel his presence inside my heart and soul. And that's where the name got attached and became Himanshu Ashok Malhotra, because I could feel his presence inside myself. It's very difficult to explain in words. Somebody who has lost probably can understand that.
actually I can relate very well.
I can feel, I can feel his nuances inside me. बिकॉज एज एन एक्टर क्या होता है ना, आप बहुत अवेयर होते हो चीजों के लिए, क्योंकि आप
हाँ,
एक्टिंग कर रहे होते हो तो आपके सारे हाव भाव सब चीजें मैं अपने अंदर कभी कभी ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ। कुछ चीजें, कुछ कुछ न्यूएंसेस, कुछ कुछ बातें, कुछ कुछ रिएक्शंस, इट इज प्रीटी मच वो मेरे डैड का एक अंश है जो मेरे अंदर आ गया है। एंड आई होल हार्टेडली एक्सेप्ट इट एंड आई थिंक टेक इट विद मी। और उनके ड्रीम्स और एस्पिरेशंस और उनके ख्वाब, सब चीजों को साथ में लेके आई थिंक I've developed a new perspective of life.
oh that's great, no? That's the right way of uh, going through this pain, I guess.
या तो आप इस पेन को सारी जिंदगी अपने साथ रख सकते हो, या फिर
Mm.
उसे एक दिशा दे सकते हो। अगर आप दिशा देते हो तो वो एक मकसद में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, एंड समवेयर डाउन द लाइन इट गाइड्स यू इन योर लाइफ।
Yeah, for me also, the my work helped me a lot to come out of it ASAP, because I had to travel for events, I had to shoot. In fact, the day she left us, I was shooting. It was my mother who always told me that she was very practical, and she was a working woman all her life. So she told me that work shouldn't stop. So that's what I did. I did all everything that I had promised, the organizers or at my shoot. Nothing stopped, and that helped me a great deal. But putting on makeup, getting ready, smiling for the pictures, singing. Just a week after she had gone was the toughest part of my life.
Tears won't have stopped, I'm sure.
Yeah, I would
Especially while
cry
singing,
in
I
the
can believe
vanity.
that.
I used to cry in the vanity after giving any shot. I would cry because there I was screaming with happiness, or whatever the scene demanded. And sometimes I would be out for an event smiling for the pictures. I didn't know which part of me was faking.
नो, इट्स लाइक, पता क्या होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये भी डिजाइंड होती हैं कुछ चीजें। आई थिंक ऊपर वाला डिजाइन करके भेजता है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं अगर वो काम नहीं होगा तो फिर आप कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही ज्यादा अटकते चले जाओगे उसके अंदर। So वो काम भी इस तरह से
Exactly.
डिजाइंड होता है कि if something is happening which is like a major tragedy in life, but you are somehow surrounded with work so much so that it also becomes an escapism that listen, जिंदगी की खासियत है ये कभी झुकती नहीं, सांसें रुक जाती हैं लेकिन जिंदगी कभी रुकती नहीं. Your mother said, if I'm not wrong, it's Dr. Professor Sudha Durgapal,
Yes.
right? Huh, so yeah, I was watching her pictures and of course when you posted the video and everything. So I think उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बताई हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई हैं. तो आई थिंक जो वो चाहते थे, लाइफ भी वैसे ही डिजाइन हुई, यूनिवर्स भी वैसे ही डिजाइन हुआ कि आपके साथ काम आता ही रहा. क्योंकि अगर काम नहीं होता उस समय तो मुझे लगता है फिर
बहुत
बहुत ज्यादा
मुश्किल,
मुश्किल हो जाती. देन यू वुड हैव
बहुत.
sunk yourself in that pain and that
Yes.
work pushed you to move ahead and find a new you. So this will be your journey, I feel, finding the new you.
When she was present, she used to tell me that, you are a Pahari, you should promote your culture, and there are there are lots of things which she used to tell me, and I would be like, "Mummy, kaun yaar? Who knows? How will I do that? I just have to act in front of the camera. I don't know any direction how to do it." And you won't believe, Himanshu, after she passed away, physically, I still believe that she is, in spiritual form, she is with me, she's around me, guiding me.
Same
After
here.
she passed, yeah, you can relate,
Mhm.
no?
Mhm.
So I feel suddenly there were so many opportunities where I got to represent my state as a Pahari, as an Uttarakhandi actor.
I
I
can
got,
completely believe in what you just said, the last line, that the universe will start designing in such a way. Like after my dad, I realized exactly the same thing. बहुत सारी opportunities अपने आप आनी शुरू होती हैं.
आने लग
वो
जाती हैं.
आपको ना एक दिशा में push करती हैं.
Yes, 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 that has happened with me also.
Have you been following that design? That's also very
Yes,
important.
absolutely. I have been full
एक्सेप्टेंस
on.
वहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि कभी-कभी वो हमारे हिसाब से नहीं हो रही होती ना चीज़ें, क्योंकि कोई ना कहीं से कुछ यूनिवर्स पुश कर रहा है. एंड आई वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम जस्ट एक्सेप्ट मोर एंड जस्ट फॉलो दैट डिजाइन, बिकॉज़ दैट डिजाइन इज़ on a bigger level of life meant and destined for you.
Yes, yes, yes. I agree totally because I was like, "ये कैसे हो रहा है?" She would tell me that learn some Pahari songs
Hmm.
because I'm a Pahari. Learn some Pahari songs. I would say, "Mummy, कौन सुनेगा Pahari songs?
Correct.
Nobody even knows." And would you believe at the Goa Film Festival, when I was in a panel of people who had come to represent their states, and suddenly the moderator, who's we lost him to COVID a few months back. So Mr. Kakkar. So
Oh.
he knew that I'm a singer, and he told me to sing on
Hmm.
that stage, on that platform,
And the
Goa Film
Pahadi
Festival.
song.
Yeah, he told me that we know that you are a singer, and you're a Pahari, so why don't you sing a Pahari song? I was surprised that at Goa Film Festival, I would have never thought otherwise.
Hmm.
Okay, I was representing my state there, that being one thing,
Hmm.
but him knowing that I am a singer and plus Pahari, and I would know a song. Thankfully, I knew a Pahari song and I sang it. Yeah, otherwise, I mean, imagine my mother had been telling me since ages.
Hmm.
And then again, our chief minister, there was another film conclave happening in Masuri, where the chief minister of our state invited some of the actors and, people from Uttarakhand who have been doing well in their fields. And again, my name was announced and I was told to sing Bahari songs.
क्या बात है. तो मम्मी
And
ने ऊपर से बहुत सारी चीजें डिजाइन कर दी हैं आपके लिए, आपको बस फॉलो करना है. ओके.
follow करना है. So I just went with the flow. I learned several Pahari songs. I did Facebook lives. I sang those songs. I did a photo shoot wearing that our traditional pichauda and the traditional jewelry which she wanted me to wear, and I was like, "नहीं मम्मी, ये कौन पहनेगा?" And you are a kid when your parents are there around. You are a kid, but suddenly after she left, I was like, I need to fulfill all her dreams, whatever she wanted me to do. All she thought of, about me, she wanted me to rise higher and higher. She wanted me to grow. But somewhere I think I was stopping myself.
आई
And now
थिंक
I
आप
feel,
खुद को रोक रहे थे.
yeah, yeah. And maybe I didn't know the direction. I didn't know how to. And suddenly, ऐसा लगा जैसे कि मम्मी ने जाते ही वो सारे रास्ते मेरे लिए
छोड़
खोल
दी.
दिए.
we go through tragedy, we go through a very tremendous loss, but I think वहाँ उस pain, उस suffering से गुजरने के बाद growth होती है. A major thing happened because my dad's demise happened, and then I think कुछ रास्ते अपने आप खुले, कुछ चीजें हुई, वो नच हुआ, नच में कोई बातें हुई, बातें आगे बढ़ी, फिर शेरंगो का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. I think some things are so beautifully meant and designed. You just keep walking the path, and then you start feeling, as you said, when you're singing, it is meditative. Exactly. So I mean, with Sherungo, it's been 4 years. So the moment I'm here and doing something or the other, it is extremely blissful, happy, satisfactory, fulfilling, which has never been in acting, because acting में सिर्फ action और cut के बीच में meditation है. But उसका जो paraphernalia था ना, it always used to trouble me. And then once this happened, then I started feeling so much independence, and started feeling that, listen, I can create something which I always wanted to on my own without being liable, और किसी की कोई जवाबदारी नहीं है इसमें. पहाड़ी सॉन्ग तो सुना दो फिर, उसके बिना तो अधूरी हो जाएंगी सारी बातें. चाहे 2 लाइनें सुना दो.
जिंदगी को बहुत प्यार हमने दिया, मौत से भी मोहब्बत निभाएंगे हम, रोते रोते जमाने में आए थे हम, हंसते हंसते जमाने से जाएंगे हम, जाएंगे पर किधर ये किसे है खबर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं, जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं.
वाह, सुभान अल्लाह, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल. I want to add something to this. So श्री कृष्ण जी कहते हैं श्रीमद् भागवत गीता में कि ना हम भविष्य का निर्माण कर सकते हैं, ना हम भविष्य को देख सकते हैं. हम सिर्फ भविष्य का आलिंगन कर सकते हैं धैर्य और साहस के साथ. Neither can we create future, nor we can foresee future. We can only welcome future with patience and courage. So live in the present moment and let's keep welcoming future. You said it very beautifully that keep learning. Learning, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, be a student of life, because
Yes.
जिंदगी बहुत कुछ सिखाती है. And the more we keep learning, the more we are aligned with this universe, the more life becomes simpler, beautiful, easier, and happy and blissful. So let's keep learning, let's keep sharing,
Yes.
and let's keep
Yes.
growing.